Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Oshi token. Now the Oshi token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on the Oshi token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So there was an announcement here on Gate.io's webpage. It says Gate.io startup, initial free offering, the Phantom of the Kill token, ticker symbol Oshi, and then they have announcement of free distribution rules. So they're starting this startup airdrop program that you can get involved with for this token that's getting a brand new central exchange listing on Gate. It says Gate will launch its next startup, Phantom of the Kill, on October 9th, 2023 at 3 a.m. UTC time. And you can find all of this info here on Gate.io's startup Twitter page. And if you want to follow them on Twitter, it is at GateIO_startup. And you'll see this 50,000 token airdrop event going on, and then the token listing announcement for October. So if you're looking to get this token, all you'd have to do is, well, obviously you have to wait until October, but you could download Gate from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then October 9th at 3 a.m. UTC time, you could trade your USDT for the Oshi token just by putting in OSHI into the spot trading zone section. So token names, the Oshi token max supply is 1 billion tokens. This is on the Polygon blockchain. So there's gaming involved in this ecosystem here. We got 24% of the token distribution is going to the game, 10% to supporters, 8.5% to team, 25% development, 7.5% treasury, 13.5% liquidity, 11.5% marketing, and a lot of these have a vesting period. And they also have a web page you can follow, alterna.phantom-of-the-kill.com/en. And on that page you can find a full white paper. I am going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can easily find that. Their X, it is at PK_alterna_en. So this is a very brand new project, obviously. They're still in the startup phase on Gate. So they only have 190 Twitter followers so far. They just joined in June 2023. A new project, it says, alternative imitation begins. So check out their Twitter there. There's going to be more updates, obviously, on there. Now this is originally a Japanese project, and so it's a lot of these pages have been translated. You can find their white paper. You can join a Discord group on their webpage there as well. So it says Oshi and Earn, and they have a full document section you can check out at gc-games.gitbook.io. And yeah, it goes over, it says Phantom of the Kill, alternative imitation, is a spin-off of the title of Phantom of the Kill series that incorporates Web3 elements. So Phantom of the Kill is a mobile game title developed and operated by Studio FGG that has been downloaded over 6 million times. It's a tactical role-playing game that blends strategy and drama, featuring a wide variety of skills, a deeper character growth system, a dramatic story about girls bearing the names of legendary weapons. Phantom of the Kill Alternative Imitation is a brand new game that uses characters and the world of Phantom of the Kill. In this game, players can train their killer princesses that appeared in Phantom of the Kill, developing their stats and skills to create their own killer princess. Battles progress automatically in the background, even when the game isn't running, and players receive rewards based on the number of victories. Players can also compete against one another and earn rewards for reaching higher ranks. Players can train up their killer princesses in these kinds of content and then convert them into NFTs. Once a player's character has become an NFT, then they can be exported from the game and traded with other players on the marketplace. Players can even earn crypto assets via the GameFi elements present in the game. Their white paper will introduce features and elements of Phantom of the Kill, as well as token economics, and incorporate blockchain technology. So they do have a whole section on NFTs. Let's skip down to the roadmap here. So their roadmap isn't very long. It just goes project reveal, teaser site reveal, official SNS starting, white paper reveal, NFT presale, Tokyo game show, exchange listing, and then game release. So pretty straightforward there. Now they have a token section on here, and it says tokens new. And they have the Oshi token and the Heim token. So they have two different tokens here. So you can read about each the other token as well. Obviously, we already went through the Oshi token is on the Polygon blockchain. But their NFTs are also new. So scouting, it says, is new. Scouting lets you recruit other players, killer princesses, by forming a contract with them. So if you ever heard of Steppin' and how you could rent NFT shoes from other players, same idea. You could rent characters here. Once a contract has been formed, the killer princess will be sent to the contracting player, and the listing player will receive items as payment. So the people basically work together. You can rent out a killer princess. Now, if you want to learn more about the game description, and there's a full game tutorial. There's quests, so your princesses can go on quests. You can strengthen them up, all that type of stuff here. Goes over the full game where there's the killer princesses, skills, alterna, gear, quests, coliseum, grand quest battles. Goes over the flow of the game. You could read specifically about the battles or the gear or the coliseum, in-game currency. All that type of stuff is available on their white paper, which you could find on their webpage. Again, one more time, alterna.phantom-the-kill.com/en, and follow gate.io, their startup section and their webpage for more information regarding this token, because it is not listed yet, but it will be in October. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.